Remember when the DA asked you yesterday whether or not,
Inside the Taylor Circuit Court, the judge officially opens proceedings. For the murder case against Charles Escalera, the court confirms the defendant previously entered a formal guilty plea to the murder charge. Without wasting time, defense attorney Brad Shuffett requests corrections to the pre-sentence investigation report. The judge amends the official arrest date, granting credit for continuous time served. The defense then asks to attach a sealed psychological evaluation to prison records. Before anyone could react, the court invites family representatives forward to deliver their victim impact statements. Paul Brown introduces himself as the cousin of 18-year-old Josiah Kilman. He recounts Josiah's deep Christian faith, warm personality, and love for his community. He emphasizes that no family should endure the senseless loss of a purposeful life.
Convicted of murdering Josiah to never again experience the freedom that he stole from Josiah. He should be held accountable for the rest.
Next, Paul Brown reads a letter written by Josiah's father, Joe Kilman. The letter describes how the tragic strangling shattered their lives and closed their business. Dozens of community letters were submitted, honoring Josiah's positive impact on everyone. Moments later, victim advocate Letitia Newton takes the stand to deliver a statement from Jessica Kilman. She shares fond memories of Josiah's youth. From sports and 90s music to his faith, he drove across the country for college, only to have his life taken 4 months later. When everything settled, the judge acknowledges reading all 61 letters. Under everyone's watchful eyes, Charles Escalera is allowed to address the court.
This is to the grandparents and to all the friends and family of Josiah. There are no words I can say to you help comfort or give
Hearing
you
this,
ease.
the judge delivers his assessment of the case. He notes the crime occurred during a profound mental health crisis without prior violence. The defendant has remained compliant with medical treatment as a model prisoner. However, the judge stresses that rehabilitation does not erase strict legal accountability. Charles Escalera is instructed to rise to receive the court's final ruling.
Investigation. Under Kentucky law, you are not eligible for probation. It is therefore the judgment of this court that you are sentenced
As a
to
result,
40 years.
Charles Escalera must serve 20 years before becoming eligible for parole consideration. The judge signs the judgment entry, and the court stands formally adjourned. Justice is served in Taylor Circuit Court.